Welcome to another Odinani series with Nzetobo Sigwe Ikolomuo, Ezi Ikolomuo. I want to discuss on yam. Yam, the king of crop. Ji bi Igbo. Igbo buji. Nsegene. Ji bi Igbo. Igbo buji. Yam is at the center of what makes Igbo culture. Once you remove yam from Igbo culture, I think Igbo culture will eclipse. It's at the center. It is why it is the most prominent food. It is the most prominent food of our ancestors, and this is why it is used in rituals. Some sacrifices in Igbo culture or Igbo tradition can be termed incomplete till yam is added. Presently, Igbos cultivate more of cassava. And we know, I hope you know that cassava is not the food of our ancestors. It's a modern day addition to Igbo food. But unfortunately, cultivation of cassava is taking over the cultivation of yam in Igbo land. However, yam still remains the king of crop food in Igbo land. Makomoreba ina atu aja na Igbo. Ewe jili cassava we chewa aja. Apo. It is also evident in Iriji festivals and other festivals done before planting season begins in Igbo land. So yam is still integral in as much as we do not really cultivate yam again. We Igbos, we have reduced how we cultivate yam. The number of Igbos who now plant yams that will sustain them all through the year before the next planting season is very minimal. Functions of yam in Igbo land. Exploring this will help us to understand how integral yam is. Number one, time marker. It marks the beginning and end of the planting season. Thus, most prominent festivals in Igbo land are done before planting season or after planting season. The ones that are done before planting season is a kind of festival that we do, to help us beg the gods for us to have a fertile planting season. Why those that are done after planting season is to thank God for our gods, our ancestors, for a bountiful harvest. That's why we have too many Iriji festivals. I'm not sure there is any community in Igbo land, even up to today, that does not have one Iriji festival or the other. Masculinity. Number two function of yam in Igbo land is masculinity. Planting of yam is normally reserved for men. It shows symbol of manhood. It signifies symbol of manhood. Why cocoyam, ede, is reserved for women and children. This explains why some men do not eat cocoyam, because they believe it's feminine, not new wine, new mazi. Some elders do not eat cocoyam. This is part of the reason. The strength of a true Igbo man is measured through yam or through his yam ban. Obajie. Who knows? The decline of authority of men in Igbo land today can be traced to the decline of Igbo men, or to the decline of the number of Igbo men that are planting and are eating yam. Regrettably, women now plant yam. Some even celebrate New Yam festivals. I don't think this new practice or new culture of women in Iriji, I don't think is proper. We all have rights, but I think there should be boundaries. I don't understand the practice of Omuwa in Iriji. It's not Odinana. That is Omenenu. Even some female deities na Eliede, Ede ka eji emedofa. ede ka eji emedolu fa mana nwaanyị ili ji si na eye onwe ka ọ dị onwelu ka ọ dị and ụmụ nwoke we must start cultivate the habit of planting yam or eating yam regularly. Ojiwu nni nwoke, ojiwu nwoke, ojiwu Igbo. Number 3 functions of yam. Spirituality. Yam occupy the same spot with nzu and kola nut in Igbo spiritual items. Some important spiritual rituals are incomplete without these 3 items being used. That's nzu, ji, na oji. In fact, some Igbo priests during their fast eat only kola nuts and roasted yam with no oil. So ejipulu ji akaro. That's if you want to heighten your spiritual consciousness, your spiritual vibration. Eji eji hommano, just roasted yam. Eji akaro. Number 4 functions of yam in Igbo land, medicinal. Every aspect of yam is medicinal. It has many curative functions in the body. It's very medicinal. Everything about yam is very medicinal. Number 5, continuity. It is one crop that helps us to understand the essence of continuity of life forces. When I mean about continuity, it means it symbolizes the cycle of life. We see how ji, ekoji, opuo, onwo, ewolukwe na isoipwe na itikwe again. You know, continuity, endlessness of life. And that's the endlessness of human existence. Owada agwagu. So year in, year out, we plant yam to sustain us as a crop. And year in, year out, we born, we die. We born, we die. We come, we go. So we use yam to show that continuity of human existence. So as a crop, we see that yam signifies that continuity of human existence. Every year, every year, akoji and eliji, it comes and goes. Continuity of human existence. Jibibo. Without yam, we Igbos are nothing. Or Jibibo. Jibibo. So we should make sure that we hold on to this spiritual food of our ancestors. Yes, we have embraced modern food like rice, macaroni, cassava, and spaghetti, noodles, and all that. But we shouldn't throw away our own. We should make sure that yam maintains its place as the king of food in Igbo land. Onyawa Odinana. Ewepu hana ji na Odinana. If I nwela agwụgwọ. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.